John? What's this?
Oh man, this is bad. How do I get out of this?
You said you can't just run away every time I'm upset.
Oh, that was a close call. Oh. Dude, why is everything a fight with her? Conflict is always an opportunity for connection. It's more about learning how to handle the conflict, not the conflict itself. She was all over me. Would you rather her talk to you about your problems or another dude? Me? This is good. She cares enough to work it out with you.
What was that?
I just realized I've been viewing conflict as bad.
Huh?
Yeah, that's why I think I avoid sometimes.
Oh, I was just frustrated because you said you would do something and you hadn't. When I saw your mess, I freaked out.
That makes sense.
I'm stressed because I want the house to be clean for when our friends come over.
Thanks for explaining it like that.
Yeah, baby.
I do want us to be able to talk when one of us is upset.
Me too. Now about that mess.
That worked out pretty well.
Hey, baby. You're funny. Come on.
That was almost too much.
Did you just say I'm too much?